everyone, welcome back to JAS and Education YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the phrase used to in English. The phrase used to is used to express past habits. Formula: subject plus used to plus present tense of the verb. Now I will tell you some more examples how to use used to in English. I used to read Chandamama stories during my childhood. I used to play volleyball. She used to sing. I used to tell. I used to walk 5 kilometers a day. I used to see 4 or 5 movies per week. Gandhiji used to read Bhagavad Gita. Nehru used to like children. Lalu used to read novels. Hari used to meet me every day. Krishna used to talk every day. Try yourself below the comment section and form the sentences with the phrase used to. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the bell icon because I will do more amazing videos about spoken English and grammar. I want to tell one thing to all: love English, speak English, talk English. Thank you once again.